Everybody, this is JacobViral, a big build update today, as well as a lot of comments I'm hoping to look for from you guys and girls watching on what you think my SPL score is going to be for our first turn on. So looking forward to those comments, and stay tuned throughout the video for some fun, sub flex, and a big build update. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, so if anybody hasn't watched my previous videos, I'm going to act like y'all don't know what's in here for the beginning of the video. And also, going to be looking forward to a lot of comments, as I just mentioned in the intro, to find out what my SPL score is, what y'all think it's going to be at. I already know my peak frequency. I'm going to show you what it is and what's involved first. So before anything, welcome to my channel, JacobViral. I do a lot of videos here. Not the best, not the prettiest build by no means, but I try to get as loud as I can with what I have. And it's not just SPL, very musical, but it has a really peaky response. So it'll do like probably, I'm guessing, a high 50s, low 60s. I don't know. But for this video, hopefully that'll give you some understanding of the build before you comment what your idea is. Check me out. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram as well. I would really appreciate if y'all hit it a like and follow. Check it out. As well as give me a comment on what you think the SPL score is after you see what's in here. So appreciate y'all always watching and subscribing. I try to keep content coming every day for y'all. So the SPL meter that I'm going to be testing with is an SSA. It's within 1/10 of a dB. It's going to be on the glass on my next video. This video, I want to make sure everybody knows what's in here, give y'all some sub flex footage, give you a build update, and look forward to y'all's comments to see what you think the score is going to be. Really exciting to see what y'all think it's going to be. My goal is to break a 160 out of this thing, and you'll see the power in a minute. So it's only a single 8,000 watt amplifier. So this is an 8K amplifier. It's a Vulcan, 8,000 watts. It's ran at 1 ohm. It's a 1 ohm amplifier. It runs at 1 ohm. I don't know what my rise is. I'm gonna be doing some other videos on the second channel, JacobViral 2, to test on that. So just one 8K on 45 amp hour of lithium. And that's really all it is, just one 8K. I mean, it sounds like it might be a little small for power for 4 18s, but I'm hoping to be really efficient with some budget 18s. This was within my budget from the other video I posted for my subwoofer, the high Q 18s. These were right around my budget, 4 of them in a 5-to-1 ratio, 4th order. And they're brand new, so this, you got to keep that in consideration. So 5-to-1 ratio, 4th order. The sealed section is 2.85 net per sub after displacement and motor. The ported section is just the ratio of that. My port area is right around 88%, depending on how my seat is. It could be up to 75% lower, depending on how my seat blocks. It is tuned to 44 hertz by port spec, but it peaks at between 46 hertz and 51 hertz, depending on the temperature, depending on if somebody's in the seat or not, and if I have my seat from here or all the way up. And yes, it is ugly, but it works for me. So that's the specs of the enclosure. These subs are rated at 1500 watts RMS, but they can take between 1 to 2000 watts clean power. You don't want it to be distorted. And being in a 4th order with the cone control, hopefully my sealed section's right. I might adjust it later, I might not, but we'll find out. So let me know what you think in the comments. The SPL score is, it's going to be on the glass. So let me know in the comments what you think I'm going to be metering on the glass. I'm going to be testing this one in the next video and giving everybody that is close, like really whoever's the closest is going to get a shout out for commenting. So whoever's the closest score is going to get a shout out in the next video for who guessed the closest. So I really appreciate y'all watching and giving it a like. I'm going to go ahead and show under the hood as well. So whoever has the closest score, once again, the closest SPL score in the comments that guesses on the glass, assume it's between a 46 and a 51 hertz peak. What is your decibel score? The only hint I can say is it's going to be above a 157 and it's going to be below a 163. That's all I know, just because I know my build. It's going to be at least a 157 and it's going to be lower than a 163. It won't be that loud for the amount of power I'm running. So 4 18s, 5-to-1 ratio, 8,000 watts at 1 ohm before rise and clamp power and voltage drop. And it's only on a 410 amp alternator. So one alternator, 8,000 watts. Really, the subwoofers are a 200 ounce magnet rated at 1500. It's going to be an efficient build. That was the goal. So no other electrical up here besides that alternator for anybody watching. If you want to know a lot more about my system, check out the channel, JacobViral 2. Link in the description for my second channel. I'll be posting a lot more build updates there, not on the main channel, just because I try to keep my content balanced on the main channel, focusing on car audio demos and a different type of build every day. I hope y'all enjoy that kind of content. And if you have any other questions, this video is focusing on my build and kind of seeing what your SPL score that you're looking for, what you're going to guess is. So comment, let me know what you think the SPL score is going to be on the glass. Looking forward to your comments. I'm going to be replying to everybody and giving you a shout out for whoever's closest. Really excited for this. I know I keep saying that. It's just I'm really fascinated with my last build, and I really am anxious to see what my SPL score is, and we're going to be finding out together on video in the next one. So I'm really anxious to see. My last build was really successful. I broke 163.5 dB on the glass with double power, and the motor force was twice as much. So I went from a 4-inch foot. You have to watch the other videos to see everything. I don't want to break it down and talk too much. Everybody that's still watching, I'm going to go ahead and get my system playing. Let's do some subflex action. My build update. So the only update I have is I'm staying with what I have. Equipment, alternator, and battery for 2022. Don't plan on spending any more money. I just want to be able to get this as loud as I can without losing bandwidth. I want to be able to play 20 hertz up to 55 to 60 hertz bandwidth. It doesn't have to be a completely loud at every frequency, but I got to be able to play down to low 20s easily, which right now I'm guessing I could play 18 hertz with my old build I had. Subs are brand new, so we'll see as that breaks in. And I'm going to be doing some tweaking to my port probably. I might do some more bracing. I might work on the sealed section or not, I don't know. And then I'm going to do some videos on clamping. I want to see how much my amplifier is actually truly clamping for this score I have. So I'll be doing that on the second channel, JacobViral 2 as well. And don't really want to spend any more money. I want to keep this, my build is right now, I think right over $5,000 in my whole build. That's including consumables, wire, wood, screws, equipment, really everything. And that's me doing everything myself. I'm really trying to stick on that $5,000 budget for my build, start to finish, and make that 160 dB. And we'll find out in the next video on that. Last time I'm going to say it, comment, let me know what you think the score is going to be on the glass. And the next video, we'll be giving a shout out for who guessed closest. Now let's turn this thing on. Jacob, stop talking. Let's go ahead and put some subflex action, as well as I want to get some. Let's see how it does on the lows. Everybody I could demo highs and lows. That might actually help you kind of consider what you think the score is, but video never does justice for SPL. You never really know how loud a system looks by a video. So I wouldn't want everybody to say, well, it doesn't look like a 60 or it doesn't look like a 57. That's because it's only on a burp and it's only at the peak, and it's only with every variable being exactly like that. It changes and deviates depending on how you do that. If everybody that's watching understands that. So sorry if I'm talking too much. Let's put some music on. All right. Hope y'all like my little head unit here. It works. I'm able to carry it around if I want. Keep it in place. All right, we'll start off with some, let's go ahead and start off with 20 hertz. So 20 hertz, low frequency, but I'll roll into it. We'll see how the subflex looks on the door as well as in the back. Dropping to 12.6 at idle. If I revved it, it'd be like high 13s, low 14s. It's because of this. The battery right now is only getting about 70 to 80 amps charging after all the electrical in the vehicle at idle. So I'm going to go ahead and get in the vehicle for this, just because I feel like it's a little bit better with it in the vehicle. And let's hook this on. Everybody still watching, I appreciate y'all giving a like. Definitely the subs are brand new, so it ain't going to be like the most justice video and you're like, wow, that doesn't even look loud. Subs are hardly moving or whatever. It was moving a good bit, just not much on camera because camera flex doesn't really show the best. All right, so let's get this on. Gonna go ahead and rev the engine, get the alternator running a little better, put that window down now, and let's play some 26 hertz. that was 26 hertz. Doing pretty good. The subs don't really move much because that's near my peak with my seat here, both windows down. And I'll do one more. A lot of these songs I'm playing are just like constant tones near my peak, just so I can kind of see how my system's doing. I'm testing it on video to kind of show y'all how it's doing. Now I'll play an actual musical song now. Let's play an actual song that plays music, and I'll show you what the song is, and we'll play it. Appreciate y'all watching. Give me a like, let me know what y'all think about the build so far. I'm really impressed. It's only an 8,000 watt amp. I say only, it's a lot of power still, but for one amplifier, it's doing pretty good. And it plays musical. But that high peak is definitely a lot louder, for sure. Alright, so I'm going to play the song that a lot of people that watch me know I like. It's called Coca Coca. That song does pretty good, and it gives me 4 different frequencies. So we'll go ahead and do that one to end it. And once again, comment, let me know in the description what you think this does on the meter. I said between a 157 and a 163 is my only tip I'll give y'all, just knowing on what I think it is doing. And from there, we'll find out in the next video. We'll give a shout out to who's closest. So here we go. Alright, so mid-13s when I was revving, mid-12s when I'm not revving. So definitely got to rev when I'm demoing. Not the best for recording when I have to rev because I actually have to stage my camera or I'm holding it and rattling everywhere. But yeah, I'm definitely happy with it. Once again, everybody still watching, thank you for watching. Thank you for being subscribed and watching all my videos every single day. Just looking forward to the comments for everybody that commented what my SPL score is on the glass. Going to be giving a shout out for the next video within a week for that video posting. And stay tuned for more videos. And JacobViral and JacobViral 2. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.